Okay, welcome to TradeSetup in the morning jumpstart for the 30th of August. Okay, let's take a look at what happened overnight. We've got the SPY futures. They closed up 18 points overnight after a weak session yesterday day. The S&P 500 futures closed up 10.75 points. There was a bank holiday in the UK, so the FTSE was closed. The DAX, German DAX, closed down 45 points. Gold finished up $1.20 on a flat US dollar. Oil finished down 66 cents. The CRB index closed down 1.68 points, and the Aussie's currently around the 75 level. Taking a look now at the daily chart in the ASX 200, we did see weakness yesterday and a rejection off the 54.60 mark. Problem is we do have a lower high in play here, so we do expect a bit further weakness to lower levels, potentially 53.50. That could take us, if we can build a major higher low there, that could take us through 56.22 to 57.18 on the longer term. Looking at the 30-minute chart, that's at 54.60 level. We can see the weakness during yesterday's session, then just a bounce off that level into the close yesterday, and then again overnight. We do expect maybe a push up to 55.02, but overall we don't expect too much to happen. We don't see a break of 54.60. We have US payrolls out on Friday night, so the market will probably be looking towards that there. Over to the 4-hourly chart on the Aussie dollar here, we can see contraction, longer term contraction off the 77.55 level. We can see that market pushing lower, but it has just touched down on the daily support level. Now that daily trend is up, so that we did expect a bounce yesterday off that level. We did touch up towards the 75.85 level. For now, what we're expecting to see higher levels, we expect that higher low to build. If not, we just get failure through that level, then we have a longer term contraction in play. But for now, we do expect a higher low to build, and then that pressure to push it back up to the upside. Looking at AMA group here on the daily chart, we had a fantastic session yesterday. We pushed straight through our entry level of 97.5. Through the 101 resistance, which is great news there. We do expect now continuation higher. We may get a pullback, building a minor higher low, and then continuation higher. Now we have seen that great price action there, 88.5 level, produced a major higher low, and then a little minor higher lows around the 94.5 mark. Now we have placed a risk there at 94.5. As such a great session, we're looking for another opportunity to raise that exit level. But for now, we'll keep that there. We'll see what happens, see if we can build that higher low, and then we'll be raising our level there to lock in again. But we'll see how that plays out. Now, this is RFG, Retail Food Group. We'll be watching this closely today. We have our alert entry level at 563.5. We did see that really slow price action there up towards 598, where it just took off on a good announcement there. But then the last few days have been really strong, so we expect that to continue. We want to see a push up into $7, then we'll have to reassess there, but we have taken a partial exit above 650. We've locked in the remaining at 640, so if it goes through 640, we'll be exiting the rest there for a handy little gain, but we really do think it will push up strong into $7, and then we'll have to just reassess it because it is in overbought territory. Anyway, that's it for today. We'll speak to you again tomorrow.